Ever been at a TD Bank ATM, trying to get some cash, and suddenly you're hit with that dreaded daily limit reached message? It's frustrating, right? Especially when you need those funds right then and there. You start wondering, when does this thing actually reset? Is it midnight? Is it 24 hours from my last withdrawal? This isn't just about getting cash, it's about understanding how your bank manages your access to your own money, and it can significantly impact your financial planning, especially if you're dealing with larger transactions or unexpected expenses. So, let's talk about TD Bank's ATM limits and, more importantly, when they reset. Unlike a simple midnight cutoff that some might assume, TD Bank's ATM withdrawal limits generally operate on a 24-hour rolling period for most transactions. This means that if you withdraw money at, say, 3 p.m. on a Tuesday, that specific withdrawal amount counts towards your daily limit until 3 p.m. on Wednesday. It's not about the calendar day changing, but rather a full 24-hour cycle from your last transaction that impacted the limit. However, there's a specific nuance for TD Canada Trust users concerning cash advances on credit cards. For these, the ATM limits actually reset every Thursday at 4 a.m. This is a crucial distinction, as it operates on a weekly cycle at a fixed time, rather than a daily rolling one. So, if you're looking to get a cash advance from your TD credit card at an ATM in Canada, keep that Thursday 4 a.m. reset time in mind. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the typical daily ATM withdrawal limits for TD Bank. While these can vary based on your specific account type and your relationship with the bank, generally, TD Bank's standard daily ATM withdrawal limit for personal accounts is around $1,000 to $1,250. For TD private client customers, this limit might be higher, sometimes reaching up to $1,500. These limits are in place for your security, to help prevent large unauthorized withdrawals if your card information is compromised. It's also important to remember that while your bank sets an overall daily limit, individual ATMs might have their own, lower per transaction or per day limits. So, if you're trying to withdraw a large sum and hit a wall, it might be the specific ATM's limit rather than your overall bank limit. In such cases, you might need to visit multiple ATMs or, for larger amounts, go directly to a TD Bank branch to speak with a teller. Teller withdrawals typically have much higher limits, if any, often only being flagged for reporting purposes if they exceed $10,000. What if you need to increase your ATM withdrawal limit? It is possible, but it's not an automatic process. You'll usually need to contact TD Bank directly. You can call their EasyLine telephone banking service or visit a local TD Canada Trust branch to request a temporary or permanent increase to your ATM withdrawal limit. They'll likely review your account history and needs before approving any changes. Remember, any requested change will remain at that new level until you request another adjustment. Understanding these reset times and limits is key to avoiding unexpected roadblocks when you need access to your funds. Whether it's the 24-hour rolling period for most debit card withdrawals or the specific Thursday 4 a.m. reset for credit card cash advances in Canada, knowing the rules helps you plan better and avoid any cash flow headaches. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.